everybody, this is Patty the Leather Lady with a new product for you today. You guys have asked for this product, so I created it and made it so it is now for sale on our website. We have a cinch to girth converter. Prior we had made the girth to cinch converter, so you can buy this one on our website already. And the way it's going to work is you're going to go ahead and take your D-ring of whatever type you have. You're going to place the billets through it, okay? And you're going to bring this up, go over, under, and out. And then you're going to do the same with the other one. Go over. And these are going to be made of 10-ounce leather, so they will be really strong for you and still go through your billets. And then you're going to pull both of these straps down so they are even, and voila. So make sure that your holes are even on these, and then you can go ahead and buckle up. So these will fit it will fit a Australian girth, dressage girth. I've made these long enough so that you can go ahead and put them on any. They are wide to fit. There you have it, guys. You have a cinch to girth converter. They are going to come in a set of 2, or you can buy them singularly, whichever you need. Let's go riding. Don't forget to go to the leatherladyllc.com or our YouTube channel at YouTube, The Leather Lady LLC.